sisters and line dance. Oh, he got him.
Hello, everybody. My name is Pakita. You all have probably seen me on the floor as Zeta Cat. I met Rhondi in 2010, and he's been my line brother ever since. And he gives me music, and he gives me advice, and I love him like a brother. He's my big little brother. So we're gonna do this treat for him, just to kind of go from when he first started with making up dances up until now. So we're just gonna do maybe about 4 of them, I believe.
Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party tonight? Come on, y'all. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Hey, y'all. Don't you wanna party tonight? Hey, everybody. Hey. Don't you wanna party tonight? I see you sitting over there against the wall. Yeah, you don't need to feel so uptight. Let the music control your body. Let it seep down in your soul. So come on out and
Awake, you greet another day with the choices that you make. Decide what you will leave, decide what you will take. Decisions are the key to release what you don't need. If you're gonna let it be, then you have to let it be. Be mindful not to keep the residue of anything that had you feeling weak. Like what was said versus what you think. Sometimes your own assumptions of the ways that make you sink. Feeling down, it can be an addiction. Getting up can be filled with hesitations. It takes determination. Don't fall for the distractions. These attractions that are tugging on your soul, asking you to stay when you know you have to go. Know the things you know as your path is just your own. Lessons will be lessened if you listen to their fear. Hear your truth, keep it near, and then you just breathe.
keep it playing like it was a drive-through. But then waiting up to go. I wonder when's the last time he held you. I bet you don't even know. He barely talks to you, but he don't even know your number. Got you on auto dial, still it ain't calling a while. It's all about the club, it's riding his clothes. It's all about himself, that's how he rolls. Ain't like you need a reason to believe in. Well, I got 10 for you. Because I'm grown and sexy. 2, because I know what's 4. 3, you know I got what you're missing. Unless you give it credit for my number 4. 5, cause I don't need your money. 6, I got a real good job. 7, I got cash, and I got a crib. Even out of time, it's real. 9, cause I know you better than you know yourself. 10 is so grown and sexy, like nobody knows. How you gonna be getting an apartment when he don't even want a job? The player don't amount to nothing. He's still living with his mom. He only comes to you whenever he needs something. You know he's running game on you. That's all that player do. It's all about this world. It's all that we know. It's all about your girl. That's how it's roll. Ain't like you need a reason to believe in. Well, I got 10 for you. Because I'm grown and sexy. 2, because I know what's 4. 3, you know I got what you missing. Unless you give me credit for my number 4. 5, cause I don't need your money. 6, I got a real good job. 7, I got cash, I got a crib. Even got a diamond in the crib.
Tonight, I wanna see you shake it, baby. Drop it to the floor now. Baby, here we go tonight. Ooh, Lord. I wanna see you shake it. It's been some time since I